Hey, what's going on, everyone? Happy New Year to you. I hope all of you guys had a wonderful Christmas holiday. Anyway, about a couple months ago, I was hired in to become an electronics display installer. And of course, that job requires the need to have tools. But the problem with that is that I found myself carrying this tool bag with me, and even though it's a small tool bag, it does get heavy after a while. Plus, it does draws attention, and everyone's always questioning you why you're carrying around tools, since I work in various different department stores. That's why I decided to purchase the Leatherman Wave, hopefully to consolidate and possibly reduce the need of me carrying my tool bag. The only problem with that is that a lot of the displays contain certain bolts, hex screws that is not available on my Leatherman. I decided to create this real simple compact toolkit that will not only complement your Leatherman, but perhaps complete it. So let's take a closer look and see what it is. Once it comes to your cases, your holsters for your multi-tool, as you can see, there's a lot of them out there on the market. The only thing that I found is that the vast majority of them aren't really made for your Leatherman Wave. Many are a little bit too big, too bulky, and too deep. And a lot of them are made for your full-size multi-tool, which the Leatherman Wave is not. In fact, this is my third holster that I purchased. The first one is made from your nylon sheath, comes with your clasps, but the only thing is, again, it was made for a full-size multi-tool, and so it was the pocket itself was far too deep to fit your Leatherman Wave. The second one comes with your Velcro flap. I don't know about you, but personally, I don't like Velcro. I don't like the sound of it. I don't like the fact that it attracts attention. I mean, I can see myself working one day and rip. Pardon me. Excuse me. Yeah. Rip. That was my Velcro, I swear. Trust me. Rip. Oh, I'm sorry. That was Taco Bell. That's just kicking in. The nice thing about this is my third purchase. Third time's a charm. And so this is what I found. I found this on Amazon. It is just the right size. I've never heard of the brand before, and now I'm not even sure on how to pronounce the brand. The brand is spelled as Q-E-E-S. Kiwis? Keys? I don't know. The nice thing about this pouch is that it's just the right size for your Leatherman Wave. This is made from your heavy-duty nylon, and on the back you have a couple different options on wearing it. You can either put it on your belt loop or on this metal belt clip. It's a 2-inch metal belt clip. It is pretty sturdy, and this is my preference anyway. And on both sides you have this wide elastic pouches that you can store your tools in, and on the inside you also have an additional pouch right there. But the best part about it is magnetic. It is silent, so you can go around and do your business without attracting a lot of attention. This measures only 4.16 in length. The width is 2 inch, and the depth is roughly about an inch and a half. Now, in my line of work, I found a lot of the displays and electronics is actually fastened with bolts, and so therefore I do need an adjustable wrench. I didn't want it to be cheap or a piece of junk, something that you can find in Dollar Tree. I want it to be a full functional tool that I can use every single day. And out of all the ones that I've seen on Amazon, this one was the only one that I found that had well over 2,500 reviews. It had 4.5 stars rating. And this costs $10. And this is made by a company named Tecton. This one is made from your drop forged, heat treated, high carbon steel, coated with chrome. And when it first arrived, I was impressed. I was expecting it to be some cheap junk, but no, this is actually a good quality tool. And I like a lot of your cheaper tools. You don't have any chipping or any rough spots. It feels good in the hands. And one of the things that I look for when getting a pair of pliers or a wrench is that I want to make sure the jaws are pretty much sealed tight. Plus, this one, there is almost no wobble. There's no movement. It is very smooth. It does come with your little measuring guide right here. And on this side, it comes with your standard. And the other side comes with your metric. When you open it up at a full length, that is a ½ inch, which is more than enough to tackle many of the displays that I work with. The nice thing about having a wrench that is this size, it allows you to go to some very tight spots that you can't really use your regular size wrench with. It's just a good functioning little tool. And on the other pocket, I have a pair of tweezers. Always useful, especially when you have to grip some of the tinier screws and stuff. And I also found this. This is actually made by Olight. This is the Olight Pen Mini. Absolutely love it. It's a great little EDC pen. I like the style, I like the design, but unlike many of your pens that you see, this one, it doesn't have your cap. Instead, this one runs on a bolt action. I like the fact that it's anodized aluminum and have your milled out helixes here. The bolt action is extremely smooth. It doesn't get caught up, and it doesn't disengage when you're using it. Nice tight clip on there, and the top, it just has this little metal thing. It almost makes it look like a bullet. Perfect for EDC, very comfortable. For the refill, you can order it through the Olight website, which is just basically your standard ink refill here. Or you can just go to your Office Max, Office Depot, and pick up pretty much your standard ink refill. It does comes with your gel ink cartridge. Nice thing about it, even though it is a gel ink, it is extremely smooth and fluid. There is no blotchiness. There is no smearing. It's just a pleasure to use. I do like the look of it. I do like that modern contemporary look. And it measures only about 4 inches long. Once it comes to the pouch itself, of course, you have your Leatherman Wave. Absolutely love this. I've been using it on a daily basis. Haven't had one single issues with it. But again, the only thing that is lacking is just some of the accessories and bits that you can purchase to make this a little bit more complete, which is what I picked up right here. In this pouch, there's an additional pocket right here, and in this pocket I have your Leatherman bit kit. You find this selling for $30 to $35. I picked that up on Amazon for only $24. It does come with 21 pieces, double-sided 2D Leatherman bits. You have anything from your flathead to your Phillips. Also comes with some of your hex keys. and your Torx keys. It is compatible and is made for your Leatherman Wave. Each one of the bits are flat and fits right in that slot right here. Wonderful accessory to get so you can actually gain a little bit more usage and functionality out of your Leatherman. Now, I'm sure it is compatible with other models, but considering that this is technically my second full-size multi-tool that I purchased, the first one was the original Leatherman back in the 90s, I don't know what other models that this is actually compatible with. You have your choice. You can either carry it with just with a one sleeve, which is what I'm planning to do, or carry both. Another little option to get is your Leatherman bit extender. This is made especially for your Leatherman Wave. Again, it's probably compatible with others. It comes with your flat end right here, which is just the right size to fit in that slot. And the nice thing about this this driver, this extender, you can either use one of your Leatherman bits for it, or you can also use your standard 1/4 inch bit, hex bit, to fit right in there. Between your bit kit and your extender, that is just a great way to fully utilize your Leatherman Wave. And there you have it, folks. Just a simple, compact toolkit to complete your Leatherman Wave, so you can gain more usage, more functionality out of it. Anyway, that's about it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please smash that like and consider subscribing, folks, for some more knives, fishing, and kit videos. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you later.